It is. Bye-bye, car. 19 STI is here. WRX is gone, and yeah, less than 12 hours of owning the car. We're gonna give it its first wash because that's really dirty and it's nasty. See the new car, man?
Yeah, I gotta check this out. What?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Car's got 150 miles on it, and we're already gonna start modding it.
I mean, yeah.
Well, this is the Evil Subi Customs rear diffuser. As you can see right there, I have side skirt extensions from ESC Fabrications, also known as Evil Subi Customs. This came off my WRX. It's been sitting in my garage. Where's the bumper Alright, stage 1 map is loaded. First, let's go to Sports Shop. This one is coming to you from Grip Speed. I think this just popped. Just needs a long spacer. There we are. For you longtime subscribers, you guys know that I had some old NT03s. Car is almost at full empty, and we're gonna do our first fill up on E85. Yes, that is right, and we are here. Now it's time to fill up the tank. It was premium unleaded fuel only, huh? Yeah, right. Overall, because I'm not a fan of the this is the first box of the build series or the modding series that is to come. So, but yeah, there it is. Clear radiator. It's going to be going on the car. This is the ACT Extreme clutch. Let's take out the box, make sure everything is in there. Flatfoot shift. There we go. So, and another Killer Bee product. So, if you guys have these products, they claim it's really not a bit, but these are Brian Crower 272 cams with their titanium springs. Okay guys, when I told you guys that I was going to take the car out to some events, well check it out, I got some new tires, some Bridgestone e85 tires. So there you go, FP Black 84mm. Yeah, not even a comparison. Yeah, as you guys can see, we are here at Bader's house about to get the motor build started.
These will do anything and everything that JR Bader is ever going to do. Man, I thought you were talking all the crap that this wasn't going to happen.
No, I sure was.
Look at this guy. Look at where we are.
Dude, we're stuck out here, man.
We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh man, come on. Too much power.
Yeah, I definitely want to get you some more power. We're not going to leave you here. You give me a fuel system I can work with, and we're going to get you some good numbers.
Sounds good. Hopefully we'll make over the fives maybe.
Yeah.
In this track before, we are at the Ridge Motorsports Park here in Washington State. But yeah, it should be a fun time. if you haven't seen my dyno day video, let's just say it's a little bit underwhelming. The reason why, and my suspicion is, I only used one O-ring. One rubber O-ring, when everyone else says I should have used 2 O-rings. So I don't know, that's my theory as to why this fuel pump wasn't flowing much.